Today I will show you how to speed up your video. As you can see, I already put a video into the timeline. So I can show you right away how to do it. Right-click on the video on the timeline and click on Speed/Duration. After that, you see the percentage, and the duration of the clip on 100%. You can choose to change the percentage, to speed up the video, and as you can see the duration will adapt automatically. So now you have speed up the video. But what if you wish you only make one part of the video to speed up? Just follow me, I show you how to do it. First I will make the video on normal speed again. You can do this the same way I just showed you. Just change the percentage to 100% again, and it will be back to normal speed. Now you will cut a piece in the video clip where you wish to speed it up. For this you use the razor tool. I like to use the marker so you can see where you will cut. After this you go back to the selection tool, and right-click on the piece of the video you want to speed up. You will just do the same as I explained before, but now it will only adjust to the part you selected. You will see an empty space between the video now. Just delete this, and now you can see you only made this part go faster. Do you want to slow a video down? Then you can use this way, but just lower the percentage. And make sure there is enough space between the videos you cut, because the part of the video will be longer. Did you find this video super helpful? Then don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can ask them below. I will leave a comment or I will just make a video about it. Thank you all for watching.